Hi everyone, let's talk about for creating first iOS app and code walkthrough. We will see step by steps. We have assumption you have already latest code installed. First, launch Xcode. Then click File, New Project. Select iOS template and single view app. Then click Next. Give the product name My First App. Then click Next. Select Create folder you want to save the coding. Finally, we will see code walkthrough and demo. Let me launch the iOS app. Let me launch the Xcode. Go here, search for Xcode, there launch it. Xcode is getting launched. Once launched, we are going to do whatever we have already discussed. File, new, project. Okay, select iOS, single view app, click next. Give the My First App. You can give any name, organization identifier, language Swift, user interface Swift UI. We have latest Xcode. Assume that you are also using the latest one, Xcode 11.2. Click next. Okay, we will create the new folder, iOS app folder. Here we want to store the code. All the code will be stored under this folder. Create. Now it is created and project default template is loading. Let's wait for something. Indexing, everything is finishing. After that, we can talk about a little bit further. While that is loading, I will talk about this. So this is the first thing where UI can be created. When you double click, you will see all the detail. This is the UI. So you can move it actually. So after that, if I go back here, let's see. So the left view where we have content view.shift. This is where actual code will be there. For example, in this app, we are just going to display hello world. And you have to select the simulator. What is your target device, minimum target device? There you have to select it. As of now, I am selecting iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is when you click play, it will build and launch, and it will launch this simulator iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can do it for all other things also, but we are going to do iPhone 11 Pro Max today. Let me start. When you start, build is succeeded and simulator is launched. It is loading. I was playing with the simulator. That is the reason it is launching in the landscape mode. Let's wait for the iOS load completion. After that, we will talk about how to change the simulator orientation like landscape or portrait. Still loading. Okay, now the app load is completely completed because you see this hello world, but this is in the landscape orientation. Let's change that. How to change this? Rotate left. So now it is portrait. Right? Rotate right. So now this hello world. The app orientation also getting changed. You might have noticed it. So this is how you can create the first app. Next video we will go in detail and we will talk about the specific another topic. If you like this video or you need any other video regarding the technologies, please subscribe and send an email to onlinetechuniversity@gmail.com or follow us in the Online Tech Unu 1 in the Twitter. Thank you.